welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we're unboxing a mechanical keyboard. I've been looking for this keyboard for a long period of time and guess what, I found it. And before you skip this video, I want you to listen of the specs of this particular keyboard. It might blow you away, or you can just pause this video and get the model number and compare with whatever you're trying to purchase as well. So let's see why this keyboard is the best. First of all, this is hot swappable and it is a Cybertron custom switch, which is tactile and clicky as well, which we're gonna do the sound test soon. I'm not comparing with any other mechanical keyboard because this will be my first one. We'll compare with a very old standard membrane type keyboard. The second thing is it is a RGB light, so if you like a cool flashy light, this is good. The third thing, which is insanely good, is it has a tri connection. First is obviously the USB dongle, 2.4 gigahertz. Second one's going to be a Bluetooth one, and third one's going to be wired, which is personally love that feature. It has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. That is insane. Let's take this as an example. So this is my Flip 6. You can see here it has 4,300 if I'm not wrong. This gives me all day battery life. Now just picture this, how long this is going to give you. It's going to give you for weeks and weeks as well. So being a very cheap and budget friendly keyboard, let's see what's inside the box and why this keyboard is actually good. So I will be opening it. I take this box out, chuck this on the side, and so what does it say? It's transformer accessories box. Could be cable, not a braided cable. You can see. Let's chuck this down the side. You know what we do with the booklet? Chuck it on the side. Moment of truth, guys. Let's chuck this on the side. We have a stand, two mode stand. So one is a smaller one, another one is a big one. And there are a couple of things you can get here as well. It will give you that USB dongle. Oh, that's a cool touch up as well. So you can see here, transformer logo here. You tend to lose this dongle and you always put it somewhere else, but guess what? Now you can see magnetic. Bingo. USB type C and 2.4, and then as well as you have a Bluetooth, and there's a switch. You can toggle between Windows and Mac. So let's power this bad boy on. So go 2.4 gigahertz. Now let's hear the sound. You get a Mac, they have a butterfly style keyboard, and they have a membrane, which is like a little squeezy pad that just touch it. So these keyboards are much more like a clicky one, tactile keyboard. Hence why this is all mechanical, so because everything works in a mechanical way. It doesn't touch with anything else. So that's why it's called mechanical. Well, guys, so this is the review of mechanical keyboard. I paid roughly $152 with Australian standard. You might find this one cheap on Amazon or eBay or any website. Look, personally, I like this one. This will be my first ever mechanical keyboard. Well, it looks very good. It has RGB color, works with my Mac. It can connect to 5 different devices. I can use my phone, Mac, whatever, Linux, everything. Wired connection as well, which is a USB Type-C. That is handy. I can use this USB Type-C and connect with as a wired keyboard at the same time. Volume knob, so which is up and down. I like this one. Full style keyboard. So look, this sums up my total review of this one. If you like this video, guys, smash that like button, consider subscribing, and don't forget to share this video to friends and family members who's definitely looking to buy a mechanical keyboard. Meanwhile, guys, be happy, stay safe. This is Genius X6 signing out. Peace.